Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how you can fix we suspended your account on Instagram, and we will also discuss the reason behind it. First of all, we will discuss what are the reasons behind this error or suspension of your account. This type of error occurs due to Instagram usage, or you have linked your Instagram account to any third-party apps for increasing the followers or likes on your Instagram post. Moreover, this can also be done by the Instagram because someone has reported your Instagram post because you have broken the guidelines of Instagram community guidelines. Now I will tell you how you can fix this error. First of all, you have to click on disagree with the decision. As you click on disagree with decision, you will find another page like confirm it is you to log in. After that, you have to click on I am not a robot, and you have to click on all the requirements and you have to verify that. After you have done, then you will find this type of screen, which means you have to provide an original phone number which you are using on your mobile phone currently. After that, you have provided your phone number, you will get a confirmation code on your given number. After that, you have to put that code in that box and you have to click on done. After you have click on the code and you have submitted, then you will get this kind of security code. After that, you have put that security code in that box, then you have to confirm that security code. After given all the information asked by the Instagram, they will show you that message that thanks for providing your info. After, they will say you we will review your info and we can confirm it. You will be able to access your account within approximately 24 hours, which means they will access your account and will review it. If it is suspended mistakenly, then it will be reviewed soon and you can access your account within 24 hours. After that, you can click on done and you can log out your Instagram account and check after 24 hours whether the problem has solved or not. It is solved, then you can also tell us in comments. Thank you.